What's the meaning of chummily? Chummily. Chummily.
Chummily. Chummily. Chummily is an adverb that describes a close and friendly relationship between two people. It suggests a warm and affectionate bond, often characterized by a shared sense of humor and mutual understanding. People who interact chummily with each other are often comfortable and relaxed in each other's company, and may engage in playful banter or lighthearted teasing. This type of relationship is often found among close friends or family members, but can also develop between colleagues or acquaintances who share similar interests or experiences. Overall, chummily conveys a sense of camaraderie and intimacy between people.